If you have obtained your own space on UNF faculty domains, you have the ability to host your own H5P content. By hosting, we mean that you can make available the unique content that you have created. This video will show you the steps for creating an H5P repository on a WordPress installation. We will also show you the steps for adding a content type to your repository, and then finally, we will give you the steps for publishing the content on a WordPress post or page. Log into your WordPress website to view the dashboard, which we have on view right now. Hover over the plugins in the left sidebar and click Add New. In the plugin search field, type in H5P and hit Return. You'll see as the top choice H5P Interactive Content. Click on the Install Now button. Next, click on the Activate button to activate the plugin. Once it's activated, you'll see two things. You'll see a message at the top, and you'll also see H5P content in the left sidebar. If you hover your mouse over H5P content, you should see the options to See All H5P Content, Add New, Libraries, and My Results. To add a new H5P content type, you'll need to view an active one somewhere. Here's a true-false content type, a true-false question. While viewing the true-false question, look in the lower left corner and click the Reuse button. You should be given the option to download as an H5P file. Save it to your hard drive in a place where you'll find it again. Back in your WordPress dashboard, hover over H5P content and click Add New. You'll need to consent to use the H5P Hub, the core software of your repository, which provides the libraries of your content and sends anonymous data to h5p.org. Click the button labeled I consent, Give me the hub, and you'll only need to do this once. Now you have the hub on your site, and you can choose which content types to get. You can click on the Get button for any type, but we instead want to upload the true-false content we downloaded previously. Near the top of the H5P Hub window, choose the Upload Radio button and click the Upload a File button. Navigate to where you save the true-false content file on your computer. Choose it and click Open. The true-false question file should now be listed in the field, and you can click on the Use button. After a few seconds, you should see that the true-false question was successfully uploaded. Now you can either click on the Create button in the upper right under Actions, or modify the question and then click the Create button. To add content to a post or a page, you can use the shortcode provided. You'll see it in a box labeled Shortcode, What's Next, in the upper right. It should look something like this. Note that the ID of the content is unique to your repository. You can't copy the shortcode here and expect it to work on another site. To have it work on another site, you would use the embed. See more about the embed on the beginning page. Highlight and copy the shortcode. Now create a new post or page, or edit an existing one that you want the H5P content to be visible on. We'll create a page called H5P Content. For a new block, we can add the shortcode in 3 different ways. We can click on the plus sign here and search for shortcode. We can click on the plus sign here and do the same. Or we can type /sh and shortcode should be the top choice. Click on it to add the shortcode field. Now paste your shortcode into the field that says Write Shortcode here. If we publish the page, and view the post, you'll see the H5P content displayed on the post.